What if I told you? Most people avoid financial planning not because it's hard, but because they think it's complicated. Let's be honest. When most people hear financial plan, they imagine spreadsheets, complicated charts, retirement calculators that look like rocket science, people wearing suits talking about retirement at 25. Relax. The truth is that a financial plan doesn't need to be complicated. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to build a simple, realistic financial plan, one that'll definitely work for you. No stress. No MBA required. Just clarity. Let's build your money blueprint. Step 1. Know your numbers. This is where every financial plan starts. You can't plan money you don't understand. This step answers one simple question. Where is my money actually going? Start with 3 things. 1. Income. How much money comes in monthly? Salary, side hustle, business, everything. 2. Expenses. How much money goes out? Split them into 2. Fixed expenses. These are rent, transport, subscriptions. Variable expenses. These are food, lifestyle, impulse buys. 3. Cash flow. This is the most important part. Cash flow equals income minus expenses. If the answer is positive, good, you have options. If it's 0, you're surviving. And if it's negative, your money is working against you. You can't plan money that you don't have. Example, you earn $10,000 and spend $8,000. Your cash flow is $2,000. That $2,000 decides your financial future. If you don't track this, your money will disappear quietly, like snacks at midnight. Step 2. Set clear financial goals. Your money needs direction. Money without direction disappears. You need goals, not vague ones like, I want to be rich, but clear ones like, short-term, build an emergency fund. Medium-term, buy a car or start a business. Long-term, retirement. Think of money like Google Maps. If you don't enter a destination, you'll just be driving around wasting fuel. Step 3. Build your safety net. Life happens. Car breaks down. Phone falls into water. Unexpected bill shows up like an uninvited guest. Without emergency savings, every small problem becomes a financial crisis. Start with 1 month of expenses. Grow it to 3 to 6 months. No, it's not exciting. No, it won't make you look rich online, but it will help you sleep at night, and that's priceless. Step 4. Eliminate high-interest debt. Not all debt is bad, but high-interest debt? That is dangerous. Credit cards and quick loans grow faster than most investments. If you're earning 10% returns but paying 25% interest, you're running backwards. Your financial plan should include paying off high-interest debt aggressively, avoiding lifestyle debt, using credit intentionally, not emotionally. Debt should be a tool, not a trap. Stop pouring water into a leaking bucket. Step 5. Start investing. This is where many people freeze. I don't earn enough. I'll start when I have more money. I need to understand everything first. No, you don't need millions to invest. You need consistency. Compound growth rewards time, not ego. Even small amounts matter. Waiting for more money is how people miss years of growth. Start where you are. Your future self will thank you. Step 6. Protect and plan long-term. Most people plan for success, but not for setbacks. It's a step people ignore until it's too late. Insurance. Retirement. Think of it as a seatbelt. You don't plan to crash, but you're glad it's there if you do. You're not planning for bad things to happen. You're planning so they don't destroy your finances if they happen. Financial planning isn't about becoming rich overnight. A solid financial plan considers risk, not just growth. It protects income before chasing wealth. Step 7. Review and adjust regularly. Your financial plan is not a tattoo. It's a living document. Income changes. Expenses change. Goals change. Review your plan. Monthly check-ins, annual big reviews. Small adjustments prevent big problems. Let's do a quick recap. 1. Know your numbers. 2. Set clear financial goals. 3. Build emergency fund. 4. Eliminate high-interest debt. 5. Start investing. 6. Protect and think long-term. 7. Review and adjust. Simple, isn't it? Financial planning isn't about being perfect. It's about being prepared. Most people delay financial planning until they earn more. But wealth doesn't start with more income. It starts with intention. 5 minutes today can change the next 30 years. This is Thrive Quest, where growth is intentional. If this helped you, comment plan below and tell me which step you're starting this week. And I'll see you in the next video. Remember, your future self is counting on you.